this video, I will show you how to use Signal Private Messenger. So first of all, you need to download this app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Then you need to create an account with your phone number, and then you need to verify this with the phone number as well. And once you have done that, you will be in the same screen as me. And in here, you can actually start using the app. So the most important thing in this app is, of course, to chat with people that are also on this app. And how can you add people to your app and start chats with them? Well, for that, you need to click on the pencil icon at the top right. So once you do that, you will see that you can add someone by its username or by its phone number, and that you can also create groups in here. So just go ahead and fill that number, name, or username in, and then go ahead and click on add. And once you have done that, you will see that person popping up, and then you are able to send a chat to that person. And then this chat will be visible in this screen in here. So what else can you do? You can have calls with the people you added. So you can create call links in here. You can create a call while clicking on the icon at the top right. And then you can just call or video call the person that you have added already. And that is also something that you can do. You also have stories in here. So you can create a story and then it will look something like this. So it looks a little bit like WhatsApp. So it works the same. And if you want to create a story, you can click on the camera icon at the top right in here. And as I already said, you can create groups. You can also do that from the Get Started section from the home screen. And you can click on New Group in here. You can add a photo, a profile photo, or some avatar. You can invite friends to Signal, and you can change your appearance. So let's say you want to change your appearance. Right now I'm on a dark theme. And let's say you want to change that to a light theme. Then you just go ahead and click on light. Then you can also change the chat color and the wallpaper. So you can just adjust that to what you like. And you can also set a wallpaper in here. You can choose from your photos, and you can just basically customize everything to your preferences. So that are the most important things of the app Signal. Right now, you are ready to go to use this app for your daily use. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.